Today we will see how to use Jupyter Notebook. So you have to open the Jupyter Notebook. How to open it? So in whichever folder you want to open that, just go in this bar and type CMD. It will open the Windows command prompt. Now you want to open the Jupyter Notebook. So you have to write this Jupyter Notebook. So now it will open this Jupyter Notebook in your local host. So it will take some time to open. Now it has opened in the local host. Now next we will see how to create a file in this Jupyter Notebook. It creates IPyNB file. So now for this you are going to create this file using Python 3. So we use Python 3. So you have to select here Python 3. Now it will create new file. Now file is created. So first it is showing untitled. You have to click here and give the name to your IPyNB file. Then whatever the code you want to write, you can write here like print hello world. So and when you want to run this code, you have to just press Ctrl Enter. So your code will get run. Means when this cell is active, it shows green color, and after running it shows blue color. Okay, and there are commands also. There are icons. You can run your file, run your code using this run command also. Run icon. You can add in insert cell below. Okay, there is this. You can press B also, and it will add cell below the cell. And if you want to write markdown, so you have to select markdown, and here you have to write your markdown. So now if I want to write markdown here like this is demo, you have to select here markdown and you can run this. So it will be like you are adding some comment here. Okay, so in that way you can do, and whenever you want to do coding, you have to go in code mode, and whenever you want to write markdown, you have to go in markdown. So I am getting here code. So if I take here a is equal to 20 and I want to run this cell, I can press Ctrl Enter. If I do, now a is equal to 20, like means whatever we do in IPython notebook, same way we can interactively play with Python in this IPython notebook. So if I import any module, for example, if I import pandas here, and if I try to print pandas version, so you can see its version. So what happened here? So, oh sorry, I have selected markdown. I should. Now it is importing pandas and it is printing the whatever the version. Whenever you see this star, means that cell is running. Okay. Okay. Now it is showing 1.4.3. The issue then whenever every time whenever you open this file, every time you have to import the pandas. Whenever you close this window, close this IPython notebook, so whatever the variables in this environment, so those get died. So for example, you are using Python for some data analysis purpose, and sorry, pandas you are using for data analysis purpose. Now you have imported this pandas here. Once you are done with your operation, you are closing this file. Okay, whenever next time you want to run the same code, you have to run it from the start. So you have to click on restart and run all. So if you do this, your cell will run from first. Okay, so now it is showing 1 2 3 4 because my cells are running from start. From first cell it is running. So in this way you can use this Jupyter notebook for Python programming or data analysis purpose. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.